Welcome to again my YouTube channel. Like we experience your bingo game, like we bingo blitz game, how to be completed this game like we 50 levels. So please, I request to you be carefully watching this video, and I will give you big tips and advice. So please, I request to you be carefully watching video always and complete my video watch now, because then you will be understand now. So let's start this video. So you will be see like I'm download now, and I will click him on play. So new player. So I will click him or terms and condition. I will accept now. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so I will click him Mediola. So just like be telling to you something. So please, I request to you be using always like be good. Okay, so let's start this. Okay, I understand. He will teach you how to be completed now this game. I-21 now have bid 1 this. Okay, G51, G47. Okay, bingo. So like he telling to you something, be I first of all when you starting this game, so he will teach you how to be like playing this game. Okay, this is your coin, like this is your energy, and where you create offer. So this like, but no, I will using the, okay, it's second, it's okay. Get to ready bingo. Okay, thank you. I-48 no have. O69 no have. N41 no have. N40 yes have. G53 no have. I-25 no have. B6 no have. N35 O60 G55 G52 I-23 no have. B11 no have. I-47 I-24 O68 N36 O74 B1 B7 B3 O66 B15 no है O61 O60 bingo. This is the bingo. G50 B30 no है N44 yes G56 okay to pay out and N38 no है O63 no है O63 yes N43 no है B12 no है I20 no है and this is the bingo. So you be checked now to be easily and completed this game. I using four club I using 4 club. Okay, thank you so much. Ready, go. So I will using the 4th board. Okay, let's start. Ready. G53 B11 B15 and 37 and 37 I90 and 31 B12 and 38 O66 I30 and 34 B8 and 30 and 41 B10 I21 O64 B2 I22 G46 and 39 I27 B1 J54 J55 B30 and 42 O70 I28 oh shit So I hope you be understand how to be completed this game. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay.